I know I can get between the two because neither of them are good.
All I'm blowing here in England is because you're doing something wrong, you're in the way. Here, it's not.
I'm from the UK. I've been here on a tour before with the Indian Motorcycle Tour Company back in November 2019 doing the lower Himalayas, and this time I wanted to come back and do some of the high passes. Always very interesting riding in India, particularly the Indian drivers and particularly when the road has disappeared. So yeah, no, it's been good fun. Eyes still undone as well. Looks a bit hanging out.
What do you think of that?
Did you lay this on?
Very good.
Amazing to find that out here.
Yeah.
Good fried pizza and best coffee.
Pizza cafe.
Pizza cafe, Mountain Dew, great mornings riding.
I'm Robin Hardesty. I'm the eldest in this group. Too old for motorbikes, so I've been driving the Jeep, which has been some experience, I can tell you. We're now at 12,500 feet or thereabouts, and the view is magnificent. The air is clear.
What do you think? How's it going?
Ah, it's fantastic. It's amazing. It's breathtaking, I should say.
Journey to this pass? Oh, it's spectacular. I've never been here before. I was told that it was scenic. Yeah, it is.
I have 3790 meters.
Hi, my name is Nigel. I live in Salisbury in England. This is my second tour with the excellent tour people of India. Just got to 12,000 feet on our first pass. It's the first time I've been on a motorbike at 12,000 feet. Feeling quite good and looking forward to our next trips. Heading off to Srinagar, I think, today.
So how does it feel at 4,000 meters?
I tell you what, it feels like we're on top of the world.